Yeah, this is where I really meant to go to, the Sky Gallery. Smells like pizza. Seating for two?
Huh?
Seating for two? Yes. This place is pretty awesome. I don't know what those mountains are in the background, but I will soon find out. He said we can sit here. He said we can sit here. Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. I can see good enough from right here. Okay. Can we sit down? Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's
You-
okay. And
You're okay?
think that's not good.
Oh no.
Yeah, so far.
Oh, look, I'm just here with the boss. Huh?
Oh,
You know,
okay.
she wants to.
Okay.
Where you want to sit? You want to sit up there?
I think this one good. Oh, okay, please.
Okay.
This one so far.
Okay.
Okay, relax.
Okay.
I think I'm not relax.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Top it up.
Sorry we didn't get a sunset. The sun is kind of like hitting today. It's just one of those days. Yeah, so we're gonna get this spaghetti, some of these weird looking buffalo wings, and some of this calamari. All right, we'll let you guys know how it tastes. All right, guys, I just ate one. It is pretty good, and I'm not just saying that. All right, let's see what's coming next.
Oh, yeah.
Carbonara.
Okay.
Buffalo wing.
Thank you.
Wing.
Ranch. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
They don't look like the picture, but hopefully they taste good. All right, one thing I noticed being American is that the portion here is a lot smaller. I think it makes more sense why us Americans are fatter.
Look at that portion of buffalo wings over there.
The buffalo wings is only 5 of them, but I saw that in the picture. All right, guys, the rain kind of spoiled the fun, but we was done anyway. The food was pretty light. Wasn't bad at all on a scale of 1 to 10. Probably like a 7. Now we'll walk further over there, but I don't really want to get wet. I don't want to mess up my perm. All right, guys, we're about to be out. We're about to get this bill and leave.